morning. It's our first and last full day here in Pristina. So to make the most of it, we are trying to hit all the sites that this city has to offer. And we've made an DIY walking tour of the city. There are walking tours that you can sign up for. I think they are for free, but we figured we want to do things at our own pace, so this is our walking tour.
First stop is the Bill Clinton statue. Second stop, Mother Teresa Cathedral. Third stop, National Library. Fourth stop, Mother Teresa statue. Fifth stop, Old Bazaar. Last stop, Skanderbeg statue.
And we know that the Skanderbeg statue and Mother Teresa statue might not be the biggest sites, but since we will walk by them anyway, we figured we might as well include them in this tour.
First up, the statue of Bill Clinton. The Albanians in Kosovo wanted to thank the former president Bill Clinton for his help after their struggle with the government in Yugoslavia during the Kosovo War. In 2009, the statue was unveiled and the president was actually here at the ceremony and spoke. Have you seen his giant hands? Bill Clinton is also a boulevard through Pristina. Funny how they spell it though.
And since Bill got a statue named after him, Hillary got a shop named after her.
Down Bill Clinton Boulevard you find the Cathedral of Mother Teresa. It was built from 2007 to 2017. They actually finished it 20 years after her death.
This is the library in Pristina. It's actually the coolest library I've ever seen. I don't know much about it, but I do know that the exterior is super cool. It's built in what we think is the brutalist style. And it would be great to have a drone here to shoot aerial shots of this building because it's even cooler from above. But since our drone mishap in Skopje, that's not gonna happen. When you get up close to the library, you can really see that they don't maintain it as well as they could have. And it's too bad because the building itself is super cool. And that's it for my part of this tour, so I'm gonna let Sandra take it away. Wherever she went. Found her.
Oh, I needed a cooling break. Beside Main Street you can find the statue of Mother Teresa in a very nice little park in the shade. We're entering a whole new area in the city. This is the old quarters with the old bazaar. Hopefully we find some nice souvenirs and hopefully we find a nice lunch. I just love walking around the old market with all the fruits and the vegetables and all the funny things you can buy and all the knockoff shoes. It's almost the same everywhere you go in every city, but still it's so nice. And this is our last stop for the walking tour. This is Mr. Skanderbeg. He's a war hero and he was the greatest warrior during the 15th century.
Now we're heading back to our hotel and we're gonna relax for a couple of hours before heading back out to the town this evening. And this will be our last evening here since we're leaving tomorrow morning. That's it. The tour is completed. And we're back out again. So we're heading to a restaurant called Baba Ghanoush and it's supposed to be another good vegetarian restaurant here in Pristina. After that we will probably hang out at the same festival that we hung out at yesterday, or if we maybe stumble across something else. We never know.
You never know. I think this is the place, but I'm not sure.
It is the right place. And they have a vegan and vegetarian only menu, which is really nice. The place itself is super cozy, it's small, and they also sell an IPA that's brewed here in Pristina. That's nice.
After walking through the old bazaar today with all the vegetables and fruits, it was just lovely to receive this meal. It's a bowl, red lentils, hummus, Baba Ghanoush, salad, some cucumber sauce, some lemon carrots, red cabbage, rice. Wow.
And for me, a wrap. Not nearly as exciting when you see it on film as Sandra's dish, but I bet it's delicious anyway.
As you can see, it was very good.
We are leaving tomorrow and we are taking the bus and it's going to take a couple of hours, so we need to stock up on some snacks for the ride. And the first place Sandra went to is the cookie department of the store. Like a heat-sensitive missile, she just cruised through the store and ended up here.
Obsession.
We were told that a lot of people here in Kosovo spend their time in the evening by just walking up and down the main street or sitting at the cafes and drinking coffee. Now we haven't experienced that before, but tonight it's really, really crowded. And we are getting some dessert. Even though it was a huge meal, we still need some ice cream.
I didn't get any cookies for the bus ride, but I got an ice cream. We're ending up at the festival, just like yesterday, and there's a bunch of local bands playing, and there's a lot of people all dressed up having a good time. See you tomorrow.
Every time we end the vlog, something exciting happens. So we were just about to go back home when we found out that The president, along with ambassadors for other countries, will come here to celebrate the Olympic medalists for Kosovo in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. So that's pretty cool. So I think we have to stay and applaud the winners.
Jan, Bistrija Krasniqi!
Kosovës medaljen e parë të artë duke u bërë simbol I shpresës e I guzimit dhe duke dëshmuar se me përkushtim gjithë shka është e mundur. Kampione në tatami, kampione në jetë, kampione për jetë, një duar trokitje për kampionen Majlinda Kelmendi.
Përshëndetje të gjithëve, faleminderit. Falenderoj shumë për këtë përpritje kaq të ngrohtë, se kom pritur që kom të qenë kështu, faleminderit shumë. Edhe sot po ndihem shumë e gëzuar që I kom sjellë Kosovës medaljen e artë olimpike. Faleminderit.
Hajde më shumë! Nora! 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 E vëtojmë në skenë që shenë pilote! Nora Gjakova!
Rame, faleminderi shumë krejt popullit Kosovës që jeni kaq të mrekullueshëm. Nuk besoj që kaq ngrohtë do shprind ndonjë kampion olimpik tjetër prej shteteve tjera. Unë veç du m'ju thonë që me punë edhe përkushtim gjithçka është e mundur.
In Skopje, we thought we saw the president. Here in Pristina, we know we saw the prime minister of the country. And of course, the athletes. What a great evening!